seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal zip into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap. Sew it slow and tight across your lap to release the belt with the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case you experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flights. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and additional exit at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Once again, 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and additional exit at the back. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation, and an emergency lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or a face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. Seat cushions can also be used for flotation. Instructions for operation are outlined on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright. Tray table and carry-on items are stowed and aisle armrests lower. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight.